Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 53 right here, and we have another circuit board. So let's crack this open and see what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have the test board and 2 test cables, but you're also going to need the circuit board from the previous issue, and you're going to need the battery box, and you're going to need the right leg, and you're going to need the lightsaber tube assembly so far. All right, to begin, we're going to want to assemble the test circuit all together. So we're going to take cable 1, which is this one that's got the blue and green in it. And on the new test circuit, we'll call this test circuit 1 and test circuit 2. And I guess test circuit and sensor control board is what it's officially called. But we'll plug it into the middle port on the test circuit and to the right port on the control or sensor board here. Then we're going to take the other cable, and now that I look at it, I got lucky last time. These ends are a little different here. So the wider ones are going on the sensor control board and the smaller ones are going on the test circuit. But on the test circuit, let's reorient this the way it was. This will go into the rightmost port here. There we go. And then this will go all the way to the left on the sensor control board, just like that. And then your battery is going to plug in right there. And there you have it. The test circuit is complete. All right, the first thing we're going to test is the lightsaber ejector mechanism. Now, while handling this, be very, very careful. I've been told by several people that this yellow cable apparently breaks and comes loose a lot right there. Their suggestion is to hot glue it. I don't actually have a hot glue gun, so I'm not sure how I'm going to secure that, but for now I'm just going to have to be very, very careful, and you should too. On the sensor control board, you'll see a line of ports along the back. This wider one with the black and yellow will go into the wider port on the left, and the red and black will go right next to it. All right, and with those plugged in, we should be able to turn on the power box and test it. And look at that. The motor works just fine. The limit switches stop the motor before it works. Man, that is excellent. That is awesome. So it appears that works just fine. So we're going to go ahead and turn the power off. Carefully disconnect it. We'll store the lightsaber tube for another day. All right, time to test the sensors on the leg. This one's going to be fun. First thing we're going to do is test the shoulder sensor, which is this black cable here. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the fourth port from the right here. Okay. I'm going to turn the power on. And you can see over here there are no lights. Okay. That may not be good. Let's see here. If I bring, I don't know if that's a good object. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my screw kit here and I'm going to hold it way off to the edge. And I'm going to bring it in close. Oh, there it goes. And with that blue light coming on, that means that the shoulder sensor is detecting it. But it only seems to do it like part of the time. Oh, there it goes. Maybe I've got it wrong. No. See, the blue light indicator is on now. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like the shoulder sensor is functional. We can go ahead and disconnect this. Next up, we're going to test the infrared sensors on the bottom of the foot. And that is the smaller of the remaining plugs. It's only got the red, looks like orange and yellow. And that is going to go on the remaining port on the test circuit. Just like that. Now, if I turn the power on, first things first, now what we're testing is the infrared circuit right here. So I'm going to put the foot on the floor as though it's on the floor, and we'll turn the test circuit on. And you can see how it's nice and green. And if I move the foot off the table, yep, the green light goes off. So that tells me that the infrared circuit is working just fine. What a great issue that was. We didn't actually get to build anything this time, which is a little disappointing, but we did get to make sure that the electronics that we've been installing thus far are fully functional. So I can't wait to see what comes next. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.